Yeah, possibly a little bit of a tilt. Now, raise your right knee up as high as you can. As high as you can go.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, and down. And left.
A bit better.
A little bit better, and down, okay. Twist round to the left as far as you can go. And to the right. Bit stiff. Slightly better.
Yeah.
Okay, and head to the left as far as you can. And to the right. Yeah, that's quite stiff in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fine. Let's have you lying down on your front then, please. So, breathe in and breathe out. Loosen the shoulder nicely. Breathe in and out. Good. I'm going to try this side. Right, let's try raising your right knee up again.
Yeah.
Look at that, much better.
Yeah.
Lovely. Good, good.
Yeah.
Twist around to the left again as far as you can. Good. To the right. Lovely. Head to the left and to the right. Much looser. How does that feel?